worked for the biggest mobile repairer out there till it went under. But for the last 17 years, I've been in the mobile industry myself. I was a regional manager, looked after the southeast of the UK, had 40 other technicians working for me. I was a technician as well at one point, and before that I was in body shops, spraying cars and etc. So I know the industry well. So as far as knowing the other companies, I already knew Revive. So yeah, I always kept one eye on Revive, not as a competition, just I liked what they were doing. So day to day I take the kids to school, which is part of doing this as well. I've got that freedom.
Yeah, you've got good balance.
Yeah, so I take the kids to school, pick them up when I can, or most days, and bring customers, schedule a text. I go out and see customers as well, because I think that's important to get out there and see, even if sometimes I go when I think I can't do it. I think it's only up the road, let me go and have a look. Even I know I'm not going to be doing that job, just to chat to them and give them that solution. And I've got connections locally that I point people to as well. I run it, Athena will listen and check in and sort of pull me back here and there. And she's learning, so yeah, who knows, like at the moment, I think it's inevitable she'll be, not on the tools, but involved in running it with us at some point. Again, when the time is right. She's got a good job she loves, so like when the time is right and we grow. Got 2 guys that started with me that worked with me in my previous place, so I've managed hundreds of technicians over the years. So over that time, I've got. If they all lived in my territory, I could start probably 20 people at once. That'd be brilliant, but they don't. So the 2 guys that are with me, good guys that I trust, and I trusted in them before we were still at the old firm. I told them what my plans were, and they've been loyal so far. I've literally started a 3rd guy this week who's also worked with me before, so another guy that's in my want list, if you like. So within a year I'd have doubled. That wasn't the plan, but like I say, things just happen in a couple of years.
I think we would double again.
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to get, my main goal is to get I don't know, maybe around 10 technicians. I'd like a little unit as well. You get asked all the time, why franchise? Why did you do that? I could have set up on my own. It's Tim's body repair. But I think, being in like where we are today, seeing the network, seeing the infrastructure that goes behind it, the support, the website, the finance, the marketing, etc., etc. That's why you go for a franchise. Everyone's always willing to help, whatever you need. For me personally, it's been the finance side of things. I'm new to owning a business. I'm new to projecting what my cash flow is going to look like. Can I afford the 4th van? And it's just planning stuff like that. It's been huge for me personally. I'm used to leadership and managing people, and I'm used to the industry. So that side of things it's been there if I needed it. But what I have seen, especially when I first launched and we were up in rugby a lot, there was other guys up there that aren't from the industry. I did see how the training and the support they were getting was bang on, because these guys that haven't got the experience I have as in the motor trade or the body repair trade were talking like they had it, and that's because of the training they've been getting from the guys at Revive. So I know it's there, it's spot on. I've said to myself, once we get 4 vans, I'll just stick to that for a year. But I didn't think I was going to be having 4 vans within a year, so I don't know. What will be will be.